We have the Westclox 72020 large display LCD alarm clock. The Westclox 72020 is jam-packed with features for those who want a lot for a little. This clock is compact and battery powered to fit anywhere on a crowded night table. Also makes a great travel clock. Displays month, day, and date on an LCD screen. Easy top-mounted control buttons for snooze and backlight, as well as time and alarm settings. Large, easy-to-read 1-inch LCD time display. 1/2-inch day and date display. Blue backlight on demand. 5-minute snooze. 100% battery operated. Requires 2 AAA batteries, not included. Quality by Westclox.